Ito, sagutin natin to. Coach, okay lang bang lumagpas sa pagka-calorie count ko or calorie deficit ko paminsan-minsan? Alam nyo, ang tanong dyan, gaano ba kadalas yung minsan na yan? Mamaya yung minsan nyo, every other day. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga client ko eh. Naalala ko sila sa mga lagpas-lagpas na calories na yan. Hindi ko na kayo babanggitin. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. Claire, Joyce, Anna, Rose, Mark Mason, Sel, Lara Faye, Army Mel, Sir Ade, Ma'am Ruth. Ayoko nagme-mention eh. Casey, Lancel, Ma'am D. Last na yun. Okay, today tuturuan ko kayo. Paano nga ba diskartehan yung paglakpas-lakpas sa calories? Paano nga ba maging consistent sa inyong pagka-calorie deficit? I will teach you the art of calorie cycling. So the goal of a caloric deficit is for you to lose weight. So para ma-achieve nyo yun, you have to be in a caloric deficit at least 500 calories per day. Now the rate of your weight loss should be 1 up to 2 pounds per week. So 1 pound of fat is equivalent to 3,500 calories. Now that is the reason kaya kayo nasa 500 calorie deficit per day. For the whole week, you are on a deficit of 3,500 calories. So if you're doing calorie deficit, do not look at your calorie target per day. Look at your calorie target per week. Okay, so this is an example. So my daily target is 1,800 calories to be on a caloric deficit and to lose at least 1 to 2 pounds per week. Now the weekly goal is 1,800 multiplied by 7 days is 12,600. So 12,600 ang total calories ko per week. Now this is an example from Monday up to Sunday. So let's say for example, I go out Saturday and Sunday kasama ang family, friends, relatives, or may mga event akong pupuntahan. So most of my calories nilalagay ko sa Saturday and Sunday. Now for me to still be on a caloric deficit per week and to aim for that 1 to 2 pound per week, the rest of my calories is inallocate ko siya sa ibang days of the week. So even though my calorie deficit limit is 1,800, I eat 1,520 from Monday to Friday, meron ako natitirang 2,525 for Saturday and Sunday, which is still equivalent to 12,600. So basically, I'm still on a deficit even though may mga lagpas ako. Now this is another example. 1,800, 2,200, 1,600, lumagpas na naman ako on Thursday 2,000, binaba ko siya ng Friday, and then 1,750, 1,750, which is the remainder of my calories. So kahit na iba-iba ang calorie count niyan, if you total all of this will still be 12,600. So I'm still on my calorie deficit daily target and still on my weekly target, 12,600. So I am still losing weight. So that is what we call calorie cycling. So kung gusto nyong mag-lose ng weight, even though may mga lagpas kayo, you can borrow from some days or you can plan ahead. Kung meron kayong pupuntahang wedding sa Saturday, then allocate most of your calories there. This is one strategy for you to avoid na lumalagpas ka sa iyong calories and then you feel guilty. Kahit lumagpas ka sa ibang araw, alam mo na for the whole week, you're on track with your caloric deficit. Ma'am Irma and Sir Brian, nakalimutan ko silang i-mention. I hope this helps.